What's up, boss?
So I don't know how these gentlemen get back to the gate, but he's came back in jail and he's a SIM problem.
Okay.
He doesn't have no flight with us.
Okay, nothing here.
He's right over here. The one sitting down over here with a short.
The white shoes, blue Nautica shirts. Okay, what's he saying? That's his info?
So, how you been, man?
What's going on, boss? Good?
That's his bedroom. That's his information.
That's him here? Is he English speaking?
Both.
Both.
So I guess you're not going to understand him because he's really,
That's why I brought my people.
he's really cool.
Okay.
So you already told him he's not flying?
He doesn't have no flight at all.
What's he been telling you?
He's been removed already. We get that. I don't know how.
How you feel?
Oh, 85, but he's not flying.
He's been back in the facility.
Yeah. He was arguing earlier.
Okay. So he has no business here.
There's no business
Okay.
at all.
He's traveling by himself.
So that's
Take it back to, you see the gentleman? Take it back to the landside.
How you doing? Okay, you know you can't fly over here, right? They tell you can't fly.
We're told that he's a fag, that he's mad.
No, he's not mad. It's that you're not flying with them. So I don't know why you came back over here. They escorted you over to the other side.
And why not?
Listen, all I need you to do is get up, and then we're gonna leave. If you refuse, I'll take you to jail for trespassing.
Grab your bag, brother.
Give me a second.
No, second.
No, give me a second. I got my right.
Grab your bag.
I had a 1, a 6, and a 4.
Grab your bag. We gotta go. Yeah, yeah.
Move over here. Yeah, I'll move you.
No,
No, we're not playing games. Get your bag. Get your bag. We gotta go.
Chris, I
Grab your bag, let's walk.
P, police officer.
Get up.
Left up. Wow.
Turn around. Stop. Turn around. Put your hand behind your back.
Get up.
No. Put your hand behind your back. Put your hand behind your back. Grab it.
I am. Stop.
Stop. Stop.
I am, but stop. I'm gonna get up. Stop. Can you stop?
No.
Let me get up.
That one's on.
I'm asking. Can I get up?
I need a double cuff.
I'm getting up.
I need another cuff. Bro, stop resisting.
I'm
Look at
not.
your horse.
I'm
Stop
not.
resisting.
Recording.
Stop resisting. You can record. We're recording.
I'm getting up.
This was. All right. Give me your other hand, brother.
Chris, give me. I am. What? Come on.
Give me your hand, bro.
Put your hand behind your back.
Can I get up? Can I get up?
Give me your hand, bro. Give me a tase next. He's good. He's good.
Hold on, my arm.
I need to see it back.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hold on, my arm. You're hurting my arm.
All right, well, then stop resisting right now.
Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back.
You fuck. Let me get up.
I don't want to hurt you, man.
Let me get up.
Put your hands
Let
behind
me
your
get
back.
up.
Put your hand behind your back.
Let me get up. Let me get up.
Give me your hand.
I'm going to take you. Right here.
Give me your
Sorry
hand.
if I say what.
Give me your hand, bro.
Let me get up.
Give me your hand. Stop
Let me
resisting,
get
guys.
up.
It's behind your back. Yeah, now it's gonna hurt.
Hold on, my arm.
It's gonna hurt.
My arm
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Lean
my arm
forward.
hurting.
Lean forward.
1822.
Lean forward.
Put your hand behind your back.
Listen.
Bro,
Listen.
lean
I
forward.
am. Listen.
Give me your hand, brother.
Listen. But let me get up. Let me get up. My arm hurts. That arm hurts.
Then lean forward.
You're hurting me.
Lean forward.
Put your other hand behind your back.
I'm trying for the.
There you go. There you go, bro. Nice and easy.
Give me it in.
Nice and easy.
No, help me.
Nice and easy.
Chris,
Okay, now get up, my friend. Now you get up. That's it.
I'm here.
Okay, stand up. There you go. All good to go. 192, show 1015.
No, I'll be ready.
1822.
Thank you. Where's your phone?
Come on.
It's in your pocket.
No, it's not my bag, nigga. My bag. My bag.
Your phone? Let's go.
My bag. My bag. Hello. Stop. Hello. Cabrón. Fucking tight. You know what? Truthfully, I'm hurt. You're hurting my arm. Listen. I'm hurt.
Stop resisting, dude.
What did you just kick me? No, I'm doing this.
You kicked an officer.
Come on.
Stand up.
Listen. Take a break for me. I'm listening. Come on, man. Take a break for me. Would you stop? Couple times. You're going to take my arm. You're hurting my arm. My arm hurts.
Where's the hurt at?
This way.
This way?
You're going to
You gonna chill? Are you ready to relax?
I've been chilling.
Are you ready to relax? We can walk like a grown man. That's up to you.
Go. We are. There you go. You're ready to it. Please. Please. says all. I don't. Honey. Look, you got him?
Yeah. He stepped in.
Okay.
He stepped in.
Big boy.
Oh, for like a statement? Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, downstairs.
Cruise. Yeah, we get down to the car.
Swap out? Is that? Swap out?
I'm not resisting. You are. Please. Tackle, all. You're going?
Yeah, of course, man.
I'm in the middle. There were two. It's too tight.
I will fix them.
Hold on. Please, listen. I can listen. I'm the same thing. I do. Come on.
Okay, here we go. This ain't story time, bro.
Hey, you whatever. Say wrong. 2 minutes, please. Please. Yeah. We'll get out there. What? Okay, tag? Cool. You know. That's right, you're on. You gotta go. Oh, sorry. What's that? You feel me? Here we go. That's great. No, good. You get one of them. Yeah, we'll get down. Oh, yeah? I'll take the one. The one.
Yeah. So I was just gonna arrest you for disorderly, but since you told to try and hit me with your fucking
kicked out.
head, with your head,
He kicked him.
I didn't hit you.
that's what you're gonna get.
I didn't hit you. Come on. You want to do it?
Felony charge, brother. Battery law enforcement officer.
I'm gonna fucking do it. I didn't think. I'm hurting.
No.
I see you. Let me go. I'm hurting. You said, you told me.
We'll go downstairs.
Hurt my feelings.
When we get downstairs, we'll adjust it.
You know what? Shit.
Wait, I got that. All is back.
I'm not honest. Right there. This system, wow. I got something.
Embarrassed by you.
And no, fuck you. Watch this one.
How old are you, man?
You?
How old is that going?
I'm out.
It don't matter?
No. How are you? How are you?
Oh, there we go. It's just a little throw.
How are you?
Old enough to
20?
be here.
25?
Oh, man.
30?
A whole lot more than that, man. I'm probably your age, except I'm mature.
What's the age then?
That's it, yeah. I'm just your age. I'm just that drunk.
I'm 60.
Yeah. Isn't that something?
I'm drunk.
Grown man like you.
Drunk.
Go through all this. This is how you act in the airport. We're good.
Yeah.
We're good. Pretty sad. You got kids, man? You got kids?
It's recording. It's recording.
Come on. Let's go.
It's recording. Good.
Let's go, buddy.
My phone.
Let's go, buddy.
It's recording. I'm recording. I see my arm. That comes to front. There you go, look at it. You know, they're giving me a fuck. It's also quick.
Oh, hang on. Okay, what do you want to call?
No, man.
Ghostbusters?
No, I call it fucking. Look at it.
Hey, look at you, man.
Now you push me. I hope you're kind of going. Okay, left and right. Right. Diamond. Which one? 1, 2, 3. Middle or number? Excuse my friend. First one or second one?
Hold it again, my friend.
They're a little too for me. Hey. 1 big, 2 big. 1 or 2. Which one? First one. Like you, man. One, middle.
What's your name? What's your name? Cologne, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna adjust these handcuffs. Okay, as long as you behave. If not, I'll throw you in the back seat the way the handcuffs are. And the only reason they're tight is because you resisted us all the way. So let us fix them. You want us to fix them? So do not move.
I'm done.
We'll take your watch off. There's a watch that you ring one in your pocket. In your pocket. Don't move.
That's done. Okay.
Keep them back here.
That one's
They're gonna
done.
Fix it.
That's loose. Plenty loose. That's locked. Lock that fucker.
We went up.
To the jail.
No, come here.
Okay. We're just gonna. How are we looking on this? Okay.
Here we talk. Here we talk.
I'm just gonna.
No, you good.
No, no, we talk.
All right. Ever so slightly.
That's what it is. I'm not gonna shit.
I appreciate you, man. I wish you'd have done that to begin with.
No, I said.
Truly.
I
Now we
told you.
go
I
on.
had a couple of tunnels. You won't come at me?
Okay.
You want to come at me?
He's
Come
searched.
Don't want to come around?
You got him? You got him?
I'll tell you the best way to sit there. Look at me. Turn your back that way.
Yeah, I'll throw that out.
Come on out. Come back out.
Thank you.
Bring your knee over here a little bit. Now sit down. That's it. Let's go back.
Yeah, man, no. I got a couple of tunnels. That's all.
Okay, let's go back.
You got it?
When you sit down, it's not gonna...
Fuck it.
You got the key, I'll get started.
That's how you guys sit. Okay.
Okay.
You take a picture of that?
Yeah, let me get that air going, man. It's 100 degrees in there.
Yeah. You make contact with my head. Right.
No, he. Stay secure.
Yeah. Secure.